Today we're gonna make this traditional bread stuffing. It's my husband's favorite and it's gonna be added to my Thanksgiving menu this year. To get started on making our traditional bread stuffing, we're gonna first start preparing our bread. So you can use a pound of just sliced bread. You can use a loaf of French or Italian bread, preferably like even 1 day old because you want it a little stale. So here I have sliced bread and we're gonna start by cutting it into cubes here. So perfect, just like this size, and we're gonna put it right here on our baking sheet. So I preheated the oven to 350 because we're gonna bake this so it gets nice and stale, cook it a little bit. So it's so funny, when you're making different stuffings, I've made a bunch of recipes of stuffings on the show before, especially for Thanksgiving because it's traditional to make stuffing. My husband doesn't like anything inside his stuffing. He doesn't like, I love the traditional Greek stuffing with the meat and pine nuts. He doesn't like that. I make stuffing with cranberry, apple. He doesn't like that. So we're making just a plain one today so you guys can see this. And I'm sure this will definitely be his favorite. So we're gonna spread this out. And now we'll pop this in the oven for about 15 minutes. While our bread's cooking, now let's prepare all our other vegetables. So we have celery. So 3 to 4 celery stalks here. So here's our celery. Then we have our onion. Onion is ready. I'm gonna put in here just our 2 eggs. We're prepping all the ingredients. Just beat that. Leave that. We have our chicken base here, butter, salt, pepper, garlic. Perfect. And now we have our fresh herbs. So we have sage, we have fresh parsley, and we have our fresh thyme. By the time we prep all these ingredients, our bread should be ready. We'll check that. So now we have all our ingredients ready. We're gonna take them over to the stove and we'll check our bread. So I've taken the bread out of the oven and I just let it sit aside. Here in our big saucepan, I have the heat on. We have 1.5 sticks of butter. We're gonna melt that. Now that our butter is almost completely melted, I'm gonna add in our onions and our celery. So we're gonna let this cook for a few minutes. Now that our vegetables are cooked, we're gonna add in our garlic and all our herbs, parsley, sage, thyme, salt, pepper. Mix this together. This smells amazing already. All the fresh herbs and the garlic, onion, butter. So I have our vegetable mixture here, nice big bowl. Our oven's still at 350. I have a baking sheet and our bread. So I'm gonna take our bread that you can hear now, it's crunchy. Bread's gonna go right in the bowl. Okay. A few stragglers. And now I'm gonna add our butter vegetable mixture. I'm gonna toss this together. Perfect. We have the butter and the vegetables all over our bread. And next we're gonna add in our chicken base. I'm gonna add in some Give that a toss. Add in a little more. Last, we're gonna add in our egg. So we have 2 eggs here. Beat them together. Pour them on top. Mix this. Perfect, this is ready. Now we're gonna take our baking sheet. I'm gonna grease this. And we're gonna pour our mixture right into our baking sheet here. Look at this, it already looks yummy. This is ready to go in the oven. We're gonna cover it with aluminum foil. And we're gonna pop this in the oven for about 30 minutes. So after I cooked this for about 30 minutes covered, I uncovered it and cooked it for an additional 20 minutes to get that beautiful golden brown color. It smells so good. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.